Well, welcome back, YouTube. Just going to do a short video. See, the two tractors are covered up, winterized. Everything's winterized. Got the quad with the plow on it. And it did a pretty good job. But I like to flip over the handlebars when I hit a tree root with it out in my yard. Does a good job. Now there's the chickens. Cleared a good amount of area, plus the road on down. Oh, gotta pick up my cane. And just generally just clearing out snow and staying indoors nice and warm. Right now it's cold out here, and I gotta clear out my mailboxes, which are down that way, because the city plow went by and it's snowing again. I'm keeping this one short, and hopefully I'll post another video soon. Please like, comment, subscribe if you want to. I'd like to hear some comments, and leave any comments, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye for now.